What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to scout the marketplace of Clickbank for some good offers, and we're gonna check the stats. So let's dive in.
Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck.
Alright, so I'm inside of the Clickbank dashboard where you will see the most recent results of our top student Tom. And as you can see, the current week already $10,600 as profit. And the day starts good with $338 up till now. And yesterday we recorded $1,500, the day before $2.2 thousand profit. And I saw some of your reactions asking me to refresh this page, so we're gonna do exactly that. There we go, same results and very well. So let's go to the marketplace. First, let me sign into my own account so that I don't have to blur all this stuff out. All right, there we go. So now I don't have to blur anything anymore. Let's go to the marketplace. All right, here we are. So as you probably know, Clickbank has split his offers into several different categories. So you can check out these categories and check out all the offers inside, or you can go to a specific subcategory when you're opening the category itself. All right. So let's go to health and fitness as an example, and then right here it automatically sorts the results by rank from high to low. However, you can also sort your results on average commission per conversion, initial commission per conversion, recurring commission per rebill, and gravity. All right, so let's talk about these stats. First, the average commission per conversion, and we're going to do it from high to low. So the average commission per conversion is the average amount of dollars that you receive per conversion being made. All right, so for example, if there were 10 conversions made for I don't know, between $10 and $100, then the average will probably be somewhere around $55, all right, depending on how much, but it's the average. So they add everything up and separate it by the amount of conversions, and that makes the average commission per conversion. This includes potential upsells and rebills, all right? So it's the average commission you receive per conversion over a lifetime. So you can check that out right here. Above the promote button, it says average commission per conversion, and for total wellness cleanse, it's $1,434. For the second one, apple cider vinegar, it's $479, and then it goes down to $350 for the, what is it? Stop ad now. Okay, all right. Cool, so that is that. Then we have the initial commission per conversion. So the initial commission per conversion is the commission you get right away after the conversion is being made. All right, so the average commission per conversion is an overall, right? So some users only buy once, some users buy 100 times, but we're gonna take the average. And the initial is only the money you receive right away, right after they've sent that order form. So that total wellness cleanse that was highest on average conversion is not the highest on initial conversion since it's $154.90. So you can already check, okay, this one is the initial commission per conversion is only $150, where the average commission per conversion is $1,400. So this offer has very good upsells and / or very good subscription. All right, and we can see this blue 2 arrows means recurring. So this is also a recurring offer. And this arrow that points to the top is the Pitch Plus, or aka the upsells. So this offer has both upsells as is a recurring offer, which gets that average commission per conversion up. But the initial conversion is only $155 averagely. All right. And then we have the recurring commission per rebill. So this is for the offers that are recurring. And this is the average recurring commission per rebill. So the total wellness cleanse is once more at the top when we sort high to low. And the recurring commission per rebill is $640 almost. So as you can see, the initial commission per conversion is way lower than the recurring rebill, which also explains why the average commission is so high. All right. So when this is the average, $1,400, and the recurring commission per rebill is about $640, you could say that the average user sticks around for 2 months. All right. So then we have 2 months of, well, 3 months basically, because the first month is the initial conversion, $154. Then the second month is the first time of $640, and the third month is once more $640, making it around $1,400. So the average consumer of this offer sticks around for about 3 to 4 months averagely, based on the average commission per conversion, the initial commission per conversion, and the recurring commission per rebill. All right. So we've covered those, and then last but not least, we have the gravity, and I'm not going to sort that because I want you to check this out. The gravity on this offer, which has the highest average commission per conversion, is 0. Now, what does that mean, and how does gravity get calculated? Gravity in Clickbank is a metric to basically say, okay, how many times does this offer convert? All right, but it's not as easy as that. Basically, the gravity is a metric that goes back 12 weeks in time. So it looks at the past 12 weeks and it calculates, okay, how many affiliates are promoting this offer and how many conversions were made in those 12 weeks. Based on those two metrics, it creates a formula, and that formula creates the gravity. And how the formula exactly works, I'm afraid I cannot tell you. Probably the only one that can tell you is Clickbank themselves. Maybe some genius around here knows the answer. Post it in the comments. However, I don't know exactly, but I do know in the last 12 weeks that it gets calculated on how many affiliates are approaching it, how many affiliates are promoting it, and how many conversions did they make. It's based on that. So this offer with the highest average conversions, the highest average commission per conversion, quite high initial commission per conversion, and the highest recurring commission per rebill, has 0 gravity. So that means that no other affiliates have promoted and / or made a conversion for this specific offer. If we look at this one, it has 0.07. So it's still very low, suggesting that maybe one affiliate is promoting it and he or she maybe made 1 conversion, but that's about it. All right. Let's sort it on gravity from high to low. Then we can see some high ones. So we have the custom keto diet, and it has a gravity of 429.37. Now you might say, awesome, that's a winner. I'm going to promote that offer. Well, it's not so simple. Because a high gravity not only means that it converts, it also means that there is a high amount of competition, right? Because remember, the gravity comes from the amount of affiliates promoting the offer and the amount of conversions made. So a high gravity doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to convert, because it also means that there's high competition. And high competition means less conversions for you. All right? So initially, the gravity is a good metric to get a feeling of an offer, whether it's good or not. But you don't want it to be too high, because if it's too high, especially as a beginner, you have so much competition that you probably won't win. If the gravity is too low, you might pick an offer that doesn't convert, which is also no good. So as a beginner, you might want to look at slightly lower gravities, but not too low. So get somewhere in the middle. If you're an experienced affiliate and you know exactly what you're doing, then you might take a shot at these higher gravities, because these are the offers that are proven to convert. And since you are experienced, you are most likely to outplay other affiliates. You have more knowledge, you have more experience, you know what you're doing, so you can take on these other affiliates and grab their commissions from them, their conversions, all right? So you might want to do that, or you can say, I'm going to play it safe and just pick one with a lower gravity and sell it, because I know I'm experienced, all right? So those are the two options that you have if you have done this before and you are experienced. Once again, if you are a beginner, I would not suggest picking one of the higher gravities, as you will have a lot of competition. All right, that's going to be it for this one, but don't forget to check out our special offer. We are having a huge sale with extreme discounts. So the first month of your Deberoo Suite affiliate marketing platform for all the tools for your affiliate marketing is only 97 euros. And we'll throw in a free advanced course as well. So you can choose what course you want and you'll get it 100% free, so that you can become a top affiliate in no time. That's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.